Hello everybody, my name is Thor Young. I'm a moderator of Bear Bull Traders, and I would like to do a recap for you today. In today's recap, I think I'm going to talk a little bit more about psychology than my actual trades today. My trades today were fine, got good RVR on them, didn't end up playing too much today. Yesterday I kind of had a lackluster day. I really wasn't didn't get very many trades going. And today I really wanted to come into the day really sticking to my guns, just really wanted to finish out the week strong and get over goal today. So what I did today is really something that I've done to up my survival game in the stock market. Part of playing stocks for me is being in tune with yourself and knowing when you're having a good day and when you're having a bad day, when you're in the zone or when you're not in the zone. An analogy that I really like to use is this analogy about, it's a Happy Gilmore analogy, and it's just really about, the difference in Happy between when he is the most amazing golfer in the world versus being the worst hockey player in the world is all a matter of attitude. And I think it's really important to be dialed into your attitude as a trader. There are days where you can lose every single trade that you try to take, regardless of how good your system is or your RVR is. And the reason why is not because of your system, it's because of you. Because something's not right with you, you're not waiting for the right indicators, you're not using the right RVR. Maybe the market is trending in a way that isn't suitable to your edge, right? There's so many things that go into that, and it's important to stay in tune with that. Yesterday, I stayed in tune with that, and I saved myself from what would have been probably a big loss day, realizing after I looked at the market this morning and how it performed yesterday, I could see how I really could have gotten myself into a lot of trouble with that. Now, on to the trades. If you can see down here on SPY, I took SPY short at the open when it made the new critical low. I held on to it for a little while. I actually took a partial. My first partial was as we went through previous day's close, and it actually partialed there and split the fill as it pulled back, and I took some off there. So this was actually one partial attempt down here at PDC. That split filled backwards. Welcome to live trading. And then it dropped down to this nice bid we had here. I took more off and more below the close, pulled up to VWAP, tried to get in there. Did really nice, didn't make a lot on this one, made about 2.5, 3 R on this one. No big giant move on this one, but a nice start today. Got me, most of the way to goal. And then NEO was a really solid play. NEO sold off heavy in the first candle, bounced off of previous day's close, came up into VWAP. I went ahead and went short. You use this candle here, it dropped down. I took profit right above $36. Not quite 2-to-1 on this profit taking, but there was a large bid right here. And I wanted to make sure I had fill priority, so I took profit in front of it and then a little bit more profit below it. So my whole day, all in all, ending up at about 5 R, which is really nice. I mean, my goal for the day is only 3. So I'm ending out about 5.5 R. No crazy trades here, nothing too sketchy. Just nice, playing a low volume pullback on NEO, and then playing, a nice little short on SPY off of the open. Now, the reason why this day was really important to me was because yesterday was one of my least performing days I've had in a long time. So for me, it was really important to come in today and to really just come out, take some solid trades, and then be done for the weekend. So over goal, some solid trades in here. I hope you all enjoyed this. I hope you can learn a little bit from this, which, again, my main thought just being, you don't have to be on it every single day. If you find a day where you're not into it, you're not feeling it, making no money is better than losing money, right? And that's an important thing to remember when you're a stock trader. The hardest thing you'll ever do as a stock trader is not trade. So hope that's helpful. Hope everyone has a great week, and I will talk to you all next week. Thank you all. Keep it green. Thanks.